My name is Freddie from Esource Parts. I just wanted to talk to you guys about a cool new product we got in earlier today, and it's the iPhone Apple Earpod carrying case. So it's a case that we have for all iPhone models from iPhone 7 and up all the way up to the 11 Pro Max. It's a hard shell case with a very soft back. It comes in 6 different colors, which I'll show you guys in a few moments. It's got a transparent window where it will allow you to put in your earpods. It's pretty cool. So let me show you what they do and how it works. So these are the 6 colors that these cases come in. We got white, purple, yellow, teal, black, and red. We have them available in all models ranging from the iPhone 7 all the way up to the 11 Pro Max. This demo here is an iPhone X. And as I mentioned earlier, the back itself is a very soft plastic, a very soft rubber, and the edges is a hard reinforced plastic, which will completely protect your phone. And you'll see here that the window locks with a little latch. You can probably hear that click. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these earpods inside the case. So if you're always traveling, you're on the go, and you don't want to carry a separate case, like this guy here, it's as easy as putting them in here and locking the latch, and they are very, very secure. We have these available on our website at www.esourceparts.ca.